My name is Siniša Malešević. I'm a professor of sociology at the University College Dublin in Ireland. I'm a historical sociologist who writes on war, violence, and nationalism. In this book, The Rise of Organized Brutality, a historical sociology of violence, I explore how violence has transformed over the course of human history. Some recent studies have argued that we live in the least violent period in history, and that violence has constantly been decreasing since the dawn of human civilization. In this book, I challenge such views and demonstrate that violence, once violence becomes organized, it tends to proliferate as it is embedded in the state structures. Hence, I aim to show how organized violence has gradually expanded over the last 10,000 years of human history. I explore three long-term processes which have shaped the historical dynamics of violence: the expanding organizational capacity, the increasing ideological penetration within society, and the envelopment of micro-solidarity. Although some pre-modern societies practiced gruesome forms of cruelty, including excessive forms of torture, such societies did not possess organizational means and ideological know-how to systematically slaughter and kill millions of individuals. It is only in modernity, and particularly in the 20th century, that ideology, organization, and micro-solidarity are fully combined, thus creating conditions for the expansion of organized violence. The book explores four key types of organized violence: wars, revolutions, genocides, and terrorism. This book is aimed not only at the academics and university students, but also at the wider audience interested in the history and sociology of violence. Since the book looks at the long-term transformation of violence, it can help us understand the periodic explosions of violent behavior in the contemporary world. In particular, one can see the role of state violence, including military organizations, police, security sector, and judiciary, play in controlling vast populations. We live in a world where violence has largely been monopolized by the state power, and when this is questioned and challenged, as has recently been the case in many countries all over the world, one can see how invisible coercive power can quickly transform into visible brutality in the streets of many of our cities. So I hope you enjoyed this book. Thank you.